Welcome to Lesson 7.4, Reconciliation and Posting, part of SAP S/4HANA Cloud Supply Chain, CS4CSC by KRTI Edu. In this final lesson of Module 7, we'll explore how to reconcile physical inventory counts with system records, post adjustments, and ensure your logistics and finance systems stay perfectly aligned. By mastering this process, you'll guarantee financial transparency and audit readiness. Reconciliation is the bridge between physical reality and system records. We'll walk through variance detection, tolerance control, and valuation impact. You'll see how SAP automatically updates both inventory and accounting books through real-time integration. We'll use Fiori apps to perform every step from variance review to final posting. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify quantity and value variances, post adjustments, and validate their financial effects. You'll learn which Fiori apps are used for each step, how tolerance settings influence posting, and how embedded analytics helps ensure accuracy. These are essential capabilities tested in the SAP CS4CSC certification exam. Why reconciliation matters. Even a small stock discrepancy can cause financial misstatements. If logistics shows 100 units but finance values 98, the company's balance sheet is off. SAP solves this by ensuring every inventory change automatically posts corresponding accounting entries, maintaining alignment across modules. Reconciliation therefore safeguards both operational accuracy and compliance. Process flow overview. The reconciliation flow in S/4HANA Cloud follows 4 stages. Create the physical inventory document, enter the counted results, review differences, and post those differences. Each stage triggers a system status update, leading to clean, traceable records for audit and financial consolidation. This flow repeats during every periodic inventory count. SAP provides dedicated Fiori apps for every step. Manage physical inventory documents, F175, to initiate counts. Enter count, F176, to capture physical results. Post differences, F8, for adjustments. And display material document, F177, to view postings. Finally, display journal entries, F0709A, verifies the financial impact. Together, these apps complete the end-to-end reconciliation cycle. Tolerance group configuration. Tolerance groups control the level of variance allowed before manual approval is required. Configured in CBC, you can set both quantity and value tolerances. For instance, -2 units or 500 may auto-post, while anything higher routes to a supervisor. This balance allows efficiency for small corrections and control for large discrepancies. Creating physical inventory document. We start by creating a physical inventory document in Fiori app F175. Enter plant, storage location, and relevant materials. The system generates a document with unique ID, for example, 70012345. Once created, SAP freezes stock movement for those materials until the count is entered, ensuring accurate comparison between system and reality. Entering count results. After physical counting, open the Enter Count app, FTESM76. Enter the actual quantities observed on the shop floor. If the system shows 100 units and the physical count finds 98, you record 98. Save the entry. The system automatically calculates a variance of -2. Status now changes to Count Entered, ready for review. Reviewing differences, supervisors can open display differences to analyze quantity and value deviations. SAP color codes results, red for shortage, green for surplus. You can enter reason codes such as damaged, misplaced, or counting error. This structured workflow promotes transparency and accountability before any financial posting. Posting differences, F178. Once reviewed, open post differences, F178. The system determines value based on the material's valuation price. When posting, SAP automatically creates both a material and accounting document. Shortages reduce stock and debit expense accounts. Surpluses increase stock and credit adjustment gains. All movements are recorded in real time. Accounting entries example. For example, suppose 2 units are missing, each valued at 100. SAP debits the inventory difference expense account to 200 and credits inventory stock 200. For surplus, the entries reverse. Inventory stock is debited and gain is credited. These postings occur automatically without any manual journal entry intervention. Integration with Material Ledger. When the material ledger is active, all difference postings flow into actual cost calculations. These adjustments influence the final material valuation at period end closing. This integration ensures accurate cost of goods sold and inventory valuation across financial statements. No manual adjustments are needed. Audit and approval workflow. If a difference exceeds the defined tolerance, SAP automatically blocks it for review. Supervisors can check supporting evidence, verify reason codes, and then approve the posting. Once approved, the system releases the document for update, ensuring audit readiness with a complete digital trace. Reporting and analytics. To monitor adjustments, use Inventory Difference Overview, F3450. Here you can view KPIs such as total variance value, top materials by discrepancy, and count accuracy percentage. Real-time dashboards allow controllers to drill into documents instantly, providing visibility across locations and materials. Let's consider a simple case. Material M1001 showed 50 units in the system, but only 48 were found physically. When posted, SAP automatically adjusted inventory by 2 units, reducing total stock value from 24,000 to 23,500. Finance and logistics are instantly synchronized, eliminating manual reconciliation. Common errors and fixes. Typical issues include blocked documents, missing valuation prices, or incorrect GL account determination. Always confirm the PI document status before posting, ensure the material is extended to the correct valuation area, and check valuation class configuration. After posting, release any frozen stock to enable new movements. Best practices for month-end closure. Close all physical inventory postings before financial period end. Reconcile stock balances with the general ledger using reports like MB5L or Inventory Valuation, Fiori. Ensure proper approval logs are maintained for audit. Always prioritize high-value materials and random spot checks for data integrity. You've now learned how to perform reconciliation and posting in SAP S/4HANA Cloud. From variance identification to accounting integration, every step ensures your physical and financial records remain accurate. This concludes Module 7, Physical Inventory and Stock Counting. In the next module, we'll explore demand and planning alignment, where reconciled data powers MRP and forecasting. KRTI Edu, learn, practice, certify, succeed.